Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. That was my dad. Today I am doing my IPSY Glam Bag X. I'm so excited. I love these boxes. So IPSY has a monthly subscription Glam Bag box. I get the Glam Bag Plus, which gives you 5 full-size products. And they added a IPSY Glam Bag X, which is curated by a celebrity or a famous person of some kind. And so, of course, I signed up for that because it features their favorite products, and you just kind of get a little glimpse into what their beauty routine is. And it also offers you, it's a little bit more expensive. I think it's like 30, or is it 50? I don't remember how much it is, but it's a little bit more than your regular box. Now, the Glam Bag X products, though, are usually very expensive products because they're used by celebrities. So you get your money's worth in like 2 items, sometimes even 1. I mean, it's just, I think it's $50. But anyway, it's totally worth it to me. Now, I don't remember who this is curated by because I didn't really look. I did pick a couple of items. They had some standard items, but I did pick a couple of items. But, you know, it was a couple weeks ago, so I don't really remember everything. But either way, I'm excited about it all. If you watch my channel, you know I just did my Walmart beauty unboxing. So, and I'm watching curling on the Olympics. USA is tied with Norway right now. Okay, first thing in the bag. This is the High Key Mini Non-Pole ID. I don't know. It's in plastic. I don't really remember what it is. Oh, these are the sunglasses. That's right. I forgot. I did. And these are by Quay. That's how you pronounce them. Quay. It's High Key Non-Polarized. Non-Polarized. That's what it is. Polarized are my favorite because it blocks all the light. This is a cute bag. It's clear. This is your little moisturizing pouch. And this is a pretty cleaning cloth. Okay, Quay. And it's pronounced Quay. I do have a couple of their sunglasses. I actually did give, did I do a review of those? I don't think so. But these are just Aviators. I love an Aviator sunglass. Really do. Because my face is kind of long and thumbs up for me. Wait, let me get my these are so cute. Let me get my my hat. Oh wait, my box fell over. Hold on. Let me get my hat. Where were these when I was in Miami? Although I did have other sunglasses, but hello. I love them. I love them. I love them. Yes, I'm excited. These are so cute. Okay. So clearly I like that. I like those. Now I do have prescription glasses on. I will not be able to read while I have these on, but I can definitely see. High Key. And these are mini Aviators, I think. Let me just take this tag off because I will be wearing these today. It's a little overcast, so I don't really need like high-powered sunglasses. The fact that they're not polarized is not a big deal. But I'm definitely wearing these. Okay. So cute. Okay, so that's one of the things. All right, next thing is oh, what is this? Oh, Attitude. What is this? What did I get? I don't remember. Ooh. Oh, is this a loofah? Oh no, this is the hair thingy, isn't it? Or is it what is this? Is it the hair thing? Soft on your skin, gentle on our planet. Bamboo bedding, bath, and sleep essentials with the code. Okay. IPSY Winter. Oh, this is a winter box. Okay. I think it's a head. a hair wrap. Yes, so it's a hair wrap towel for drying your hair in. And this looks like Grandma Moses, but you put your hair in here wet, and then you can also sleep in it. And then it does tie some kind of way. There's a little tie here. Oh, this is so soft. Wow. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. And I honestly will have to look at the picture or go online to Attitude and see how you're supposed to use it. But it's very soft. Very, very soft. So it's going to absorb the wetness, the moisture out of your hair without making it frizzy like regular towels do. I think that's why I chose this. But this is cute. Comes in a travel bag. Yes, I'm here for it. Next thing. Ooh, okay, this is 24/7 Moisture by Tula Skincare Hydrating Day and Night Cream. Very nice. Still tied. 2 on the 4th. Unleash your glow at Tula. Oh, that's cute. Very cute packaging. I love colorful things, so this is what it looks like. And this looks like it would be a gel, but I don't know. And you know what? I haven't even found out who the celebrity is. Oh, this is really sealed. It's a cream, I think. I can't get it open. Dad. Okay, we're gonna have to come back to that because I can't get it open. No, it's frozen or something. No, it's not frozen, but yeah, can't get it open. We will come back to you. Next thing in the bag. Let me make sure I didn't have anything fall out. This is K18 Biometric Hair Science Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. Oh. Now this is the winter box. I did see it somewhere. Well, this said winter somewhere. Oh no, this Attitude said IPSY winter. So I'm thinking it's a winter box. This is going to be cool. Molecular Repair Hair Mask. So is it a pump? Oh, yes, it's a pump. This is the packaging. And it's a pump. Oh, how cool is that? I cannot wait. Now, see, this is how you do a mask, a hair mask, in a pump. Easy to use, easy to distribute. It does, you don't have to re-dip your hands in there. Love it. Love it. Okay, next thing is the Ms Skin by Dr. Mariam Zawani. Soothe and Smooth Hyaluronic Brightening Eye Complex. Ooh. That did not focus. I know. I'm sorry. But I'm excited about this box. I love all the things that they send. The oils, the face oils. Oh my gosh. These packages are super tight. Okay. Ooh. Glass packaging. I love. I love, love, love. Gold top. Okay, this is what the other one needs. It needs that little tab. You see that little tab? That's what it needs. Because I don't know how in the heck to get that open. And it's a nice, thick eye balm. That's going to be my nighttime eye balm for sure. That looks divine. Once I'm finished opening everything, then we'll see who the celebrity is. I have 2 more things. 3 more things. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, this is cute. What is this? Pat McGrath Labs Lust Gloss, Lip Gloss. Ooh, her packaging is the bomb. Oh, I love it. Love it. Lust Gloss Heavy Petal. Oh, Pat McGrath. So this in and of itself is probably like 30 bucks. This is a full size, and this is a beautiful glittery pink. Oh no, it's a creamy pink. Sorry, it's a beautiful creamy pink. Ooh. I opened it right away because I can't help myself. Oh, she's so pretty. She's so pretty. Oh, and she smells divine. Oh, it's gonna get a little tiny bit because I have lipstick on. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Okay. I am super excited. Wow, this is like a nice long tab. Okay. Okay, Pat McGrath. I like her packaging. Packaging is, oh, it has a PL and then an L and then a queen and then lips. Oh, do you see that? Oh, wow. That is lovely. Okay. Next thing that I grabbed is Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Okay, so as you can see, I don't really have thick brows, so I don't really need this. But I will gift it away for sure. Because Anastasia Beverly Hills is one of the original queens of eyebrow products. Ooh, cute. I'm not going to open it at all because I know I'm not going to use it. But I will package this up for someone for their birthday to give away. So, happy birthday in advance. Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Nice. And again, I've already got my money back in product. Based on how much the box cost. This is awesome. And the very last thing besides the info sheet is the Asiology Beauty Brand X multivitamin brightening biodegradable mask. Okay. I have a mask in there from them. It's in a tube. I haven't tried it yet. But I cannot wait because this is the second mask that I've gotten from them. This is a great Let's Ace Time. Oh, cute. Ooh, biodegradable, multivitamin. And it comes with 5 masks? 4 masks? 4 one-piece mask sets. You know I love a face mask. Love a face mask. 30 minutes on my face. That's, you know, most 90% of an episode of Perry Mason. I'm so addicted to that show. I can't wait. Yes, I'm in love. Yes. Thank you. And there are 4 masks in here. Oh, and it says, please recycle me. Love a face mask. This box is everything. This box is everything. Okay. Remove this box. I'll put this here. Okay. And this month's celebrity is Addison Ray. Addison Ray. I said that as if I know who she is, but I don't. That's okay. She's a, let's see. I'm not really sure who she is. She's a celebrity, though. That's so embarrassing. But I love her products. I love her choices. And so what happens is you get in an assortment of things that you can choose from online, and then it gives you a little email that says, hey, pick these items. These are the items you get to choose. These are things we're sending you, and then the rest you get to pick one of whatever section, right? So these are all the products that you get to choose from, and then you can see the ones that I ended up choosing. And I am super excited. Yes, it's a hair towel. So you put your hair in there and let it drip dry or whatever, air dry. So many awesome items, so little time, right? But yes, I'm super excited. I'm super excited about everything in this box. These sunglasses, I think I'm just going to finish this interview as if I'm the celebrity. I think I'm just going to finish this video in my sunglasses if I can get this little tag off. Okay. And I can't without cutting it, and I don't have anything to cut it with. So I'm just going to put them on and finish the rest of my video because they're so cute. Okay. Love it. So that was my IPSY Glam Bag X. I really enjoy everything I get from IPSY. If I don't use it, I usually give it away, gift it away. But I have really okay, I need to do my hair on the other side because the tag is bugging me. Let me move this back. Okay. I love this box. I really do. I really do. I am super excited. This is not a sponsored video. I am not sponsored by IPSY or Glam Bag X. I just love the way they do things. I love the way they have their assortment of products, their assortment of brands. They are extremely customizable as far as your skin tone, your skin, what is it called? Their skin type. What you like to use most, what you rarely use. I rarely use, what was it, bronzer. So you can alter and adjust how often you want things to come to you based on your usage. If you rarely use something, you put rarely. If you like it a lot, you put often. If you like it every now and then, you put sometimes. So I'm pretty much stocked up on nail polish. Even though I do get my nails done, I do sometimes do my own feet, so I use those for my feet. But yeah, I love this. I love it. I'm so, these are so cute. Nah, I'm laughing at myself. I still haven't been able to get this open, and I am going to try. I don't know where the tab is, but maybe I'll get a shot of it later. But this IPSY Glam Bag X is everything. And I think the kicker is the sunglasses. This was an option. So I actually chose the sunglasses because I'm like, yeah, who doesn't need another pair of sunglasses? Me. I do not need another pair of sunglasses. You don't even want to know how many I have, but that's not the point. The point is they came in the box. Therefore, ergo, I had to get them. And Pat McGrath Labs lip gloss. Who's going to say no to that? Not me. Not the lip gloss fiend. No, no ma'am. No sir. I'm getting them. So anyway, once I figure out how to open this, I will be more than happy to let you know the texture and consistency when I do my description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a wonderful day. Enjoy your winter. Stay warm. Keep your skin hydrated. Drink lots of water. And yeah. Thanks. Peace.